Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're ready to start building with JavaScript, you need Node.js and NPM. These are the tools that let you run code outside of a browser and install the libraries you need. Let's get them set up in Visual Studio Code right now. First, head over to the official Node.js website. You'll see a version labeled LTS, which stands for long-term support. That is the one you want because it is the most stable. Download the installer for your system and run it. Just click through the prompts, but make sure the box for the NPM package manager is checked so you get both tools at once. Once the installation is finished, we need to verify it. Open up Visual Studio Code and open your integrated terminal. You can do that by hitting Ctrl and the backtick key. To check Node, type node-v and hit Enter. You should see a version number pop up. Then type npm-v and hit Enter to see the npm version. If you see numbers for both, you are officially ready to go. To start your very first project, stay in that same terminal and type npm init-y. This instantly creates your package.json file, which is basically the heart of your project where all your settings live. From here, you can install any package you want just by typing npm install followed by the package name. And that is it. Your environment is ready for some serious coding. If this quick setup helped you out today, give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.